Welcome to the Illinois Works Learning Management System tutorial on how to log in and set up your user profile within the Learning Management System. So the very first step is to go to Google and go get to your internet and type in Illinois Works, all one word, .myabsorb.com /hashtag/login, and it is going to open up this screen. If you're using a desktop, you're going to be able to see this. Now, this screen, you'll notice on the right hand side is the login information, but I don't have a username and password, so I need to scroll down to where I see sign up. And this is on the desktop version, it's a blue button in the bottom right. I'm going to click that, and what it's going to do is open up a second page with a sign up form. So the first thing I'm going to do is type in my first name, my last name, my email, my password, and it could be anything longer than one character, so you get to pick. And then it's going to do some basic information on me that's going to create my user profile. Now, this is really important because this is giving you access to different content within the learning management system. If you hold multiple roles, you're going to need to answer yes to multiple questions. But the very first question you fill out is, what grantee organization are you associated with? And I'm going to pick the Center of Innovation. And then I'm going to say, okay, it asks me my staff role. Am I a program administrator? No, I'm not. Am I the outreach coordinator? Yes. Am I wraparound services? No. Am I instructor? No. Am I student support services? No. Am I a transition coordinator? Yes, I'm helping out with that too. And then data entry coordinator? No. And now I've answered all the questions. I can click the blue sign up button at the bottom. Now, when I do that, it's going to pop up a screen that says thank you, and then it shows me the email that I typed into the profile and says your account has been created, but your email address needs to be verified. So please check your email for validation link. So this is a second step. I find a lot of systems do this. After you sign up, they want you to go back down to access the email that you put in, and you're going to indicate that that is the correct email. So this just ensures we're getting the right person into the learning management system and not the wrong person. Now, the first time you do this, just realize this could take a little bit of time, but look there, it actually has already opened up my Illinois Works email verification. I click that email, and I can see that it says, welcome to Illinois Works. Hope you're enjoying your training. And now please click the following link to activate your new account. So I can click this link, and at this point now, it's going to take me into the learning management system. When I click, it says your account has been activated, click the button to continue. I click that button to continue, and it's going to let me in. So now I've created my username and my password. I've also created my profile that's going to be stored in the learning management system, and all of my profile information. And throughout the use of the learning management system, if this does change, you're going to want to keep this updated. You always have the opportunity to edit your profile. But getting started with the learning management system is just this easy.